Today we are going to wheel watch tour. So if you are new here or if you are preparing to come on tour here in Iceland, let me tell you, today I get you, and please like this video and share and subscribe for more to come. We are going to see wheel tour, to see the wheels, how they are, how they look, what they are eating, and experience some of the ocean. This is the amazing journey 99 people when you come to Iceland they really love to see, because this trip is one of my moments that I have enjoyed the best, and I will explain to you guys later. When you come here, there are 12 people boat and there are a big boat, and this small one, that's the expensive one, you can use only 2 hours and go and come back. But the big one you spend almost 3 to 4 hours. So I choose this one. Let's go and have fun and see what is happening over there. There are many things that you guys don't know, but stay here, enjoy this video, and if you are planning to visit Iceland and you want to go to wheel watch tour, I get you. Here is the best, and here we are taking the instruction that you come and follow. And if you are preparing to go to wheel watch tour, number one, when you come, they would like to take somebody you know here in Iceland, or a medicine call that you can fill up, so which I have already did everything. And here if you have a jacket, maybe they have a place that you are going to keep it, and they will give you their own costume jacket, and they will show you how to wear it, how to put it and everything. Then after that, everybody go and put it, then we are ready to go. So afterward, everybody grab your own, then you go and put it, then they will come and tell you what to do, then we start. So stay tuned, please. When we go from this video, I'm going to put the part 1 and part 2, and you see the part 2.
Subscribe Sweet African TV. Believe me, there's a lot of good benefit from Sweet African TV. The quality of the stories and the shows he's talking about, there's a lot of good things you can learn from Sweet African TV. Subscribe, share, like, comment, tell your friends, tell everybody, because Sweet African TV is a place to be. Don't miss it. Stay blessed.
So here we are, we begin to prepare ourselves, and then we move to the sea. But please guys, this video, as I said earlier, just keep watching and drop your comment. We are going to see wheel watch. This is the tour about. So, and this one, how we prepare the trip on the ocean, you'll see that. But on the next video, I'm going to show you the amazing whale that we have seen and how was the experience. Our boat driver was one of the best, and believe me, when the boat started to going speed, I started asking myself, especially when it started doing like barb on the sea, I asked myself, hey, who asked you? Who sent me? But when this thing happened, then I realized that, oh my God, it's one of the best moments that I have never sea. So my question to you, do you want to be in the whale tour? Have you planned to visit here in Iceland? I get you. This country is one of amazing country you can enjoy every moment on your life. So, what are you waiting for? Are you ready? My question to you, are you ready? Are you ready? So, if you are ready, give me top up. Let's go and see. Now we are prepared to go on the ocean. So stay and watch and stay blessed. And don't forget to share and like and subscribe. Let's go and come and you will watch the whale that we find on the ocean. So this one is when we are going, and the end will be when we are coming back. And don't forget, the next video you are going to see the top of the whale that we see and the experience of being there.
Subscribe Sweet African TV. Believe me, there's a lot of good benefit from Sweet African TV. The quality of the stories and the shows he's talking about, there's a lot of good things you can learn from Sweet African TV. Subscribe, share, like, comment, tell your friends, tell everybody, because Sweet African TV is a place to be. Don't miss it. Stay blessed.